Yo, all Untouchables crew, this is VC's in, and I know some supposed to do a video while me voice the tune for Farda Dolla, but may I tell you the truth. You see how that tribute are deep and the effort we're going into the lyrics and so forth, and the whole thought behind the whole thing. We kind of want us focus on singing the tune when I sing the tune, you understand? Because this is a wonderful thing we're doing for the brethren. Much respect for it. Zin, Jano, yeah, that tribute here, Alex, Zin. So, don't watch nothing. Start we out for start right here, so now, Zin. So, yeah, bless up.
Yo, this is VC, and this is a reflection on Untouchable's journey and the memories of our fallen soldier, Farda Dolla. Maybe gone, but never forgotten. Your legacy will live on forever and ever. Zane. So you see right about now, all God bless people in the dance, all the people them who know and they love Farda Dolla, light up once you know. Zane. The reasons we'd kill her on Monday, then find out Farda Dolla pass away on Tuesday. Can't believe we never get for chat the news. The strike we don't like an electric shock, yeah. Every day you know we miss Farda Dolla. The man was a big time selector. He used to educate the youth them on the lane. You never see what happened to Pharrell when him lick the coke. If Blackbird leads, Untouchable wears the crown. Everybody test Untouchable get thrown down. From Blackbird leads, Farda Dolla built the sound. Sound our country and even out of town. If Blackbird leads, Untouchable wears the crown. Anybody test Untouchable get thrown down. From Blackbird leads, Farda Dolla built the sound. Ha, you rest of the man. From Stoopy we get we first up from. In a Roots Foundation we lock off a jump on. Ask for how you feel when you hear the steel. Dolla ask bestie who next we have to kill ye. We make a phone call we find a link back a yard. We start voice some no play through shelter. We touch a road again, sound have to take freight. What a fret when Tony kill a slay. Blackbird leads, Untouchable wears the crown. Everybody test Untouchable get thrown down. From Blackbird leads, Farda Dolla built the sound. Sound a country and even out of town. If Blackbird leads, Untouchable wears the crown. Anybody test Untouchable get thrown down. From Blackbird leads, Farda Dolla built the sound. Aye. Me one time say, hey, 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 much love and honor. Hey, 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 reaching out to Farda Dolla. Hey, 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 much love and honor. Hey, 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 reaching out to Farda Dolla. On the ends, Untouchable a superstar. Every dub plate we buy are just pure war. Untouchable we not take no chat. We a bad sound system, everybody know that. Big Sniper and Venom, them a warrior. If you no bad man, beg you put up on no lighter. Big up White Magic, Sir Sambo and such. You want make the fans know say, if Blackbird leads, Untouchable wears the crown. From Blackbird leads, Farda Dolla built the sound. We no stop till sound a country in a town. Untouchable forever champion sound. Hey, hit me one time, say. Big up all of the new recruits, DJ Dalton, Perry and Peter. Gotta keep Untouchables playing sweeter and sweeter. Farda Dolla gone but never forgotten. Untouchable will forever be keep treading. You don't know.
Yes, sir, it's a joy, you know. Straight up, you know. Every day I get dubbed for kill this and kill that and kill this, you know. And it's a joy for as I say, one of the hardest one me ever do, but one of the most meaningful. And it is a joy to see ones and real brethren, you know, who them just keep it real. And yeah, so I'm glad to say them full joy it still, you know what I mean? And you know, yeah, much respect. Farda Dolla, big up yourself, yeah, wherever you're there, boom.